Hi again and again. Mos Possibleyes here with you in the day 2 of the 30-day Arabic challenge for beginners. And our today's Arabic alphabet letter is Harf Al-Ba. Harf Al-Ba. Harf Al-Ba is written right after Harf Al-Alif. As we said last time, it's a straight line or vertical line from top to down. Okay, from top to down, as you can see with the Hamza above. Okay, so let's concentrate on the second letter and try to master it in terms of reading and speaking and pronouncing, and also in writing it. Anyway, so our letter Ba, it's an easy letter to be pronounced and written. And I have something new for you here, which is some tricks and techniques that could help you remember things or letters or anything that might be new for you, so you can find time for it to remember it well. So these techniques and tricks could help you in terms of symbolizing them and try to relate them to other things, so you can find it easy to remember. Anyway, I will show you something here and you will understand what I mean. A boat, right? Typical drawing of a boat. Anyway, so our letter has a great or a big relation to a boat, since it starts with the same letter, English letter B, and our letter Ba has almost the same shape as boat. Okay, but this boat will not need it all. Maybe someday we will have a sea trip all together, then maybe we'll need it. But for now, for the time being, we'll need only the view side of the boat. Okay, only the view side of the boat, this one. So this view side of the boat, which is this one, is actually the shape of Harf al-Ba. Okay, as you can see in the Arabic alphabet, there are some letters that has the same shape. Okay, so this shape is repeated like 2 or 3 times, so we don't want to confuse it with other letters. To distinguish this letter from other letters, we will put a dot, okay, a point, and this point, it will be here. Point where? Not above or right or left, below, okay, underneath, under. So we have Harf al-Ba, this shape like a boat shape, okay, and below. I will try to clarify more, okay? So Ba has the same shape of a boat. Boat, it starts with letter B, okay? And the point, so we can distinguish this letter from other letters, below start with what? Start with B, okay? So boat shape and below, the point is below. So now you know that letter, this letter, it's like a boat that has a point here, we can call it. Anyway, this boat starts with B and the point is below. So the letter Ba is written this way. Okay? Or this way. Or this way. So let's start the handwriting of Harf Ba, which is actually the sound of English letter B and followed by A. Ba. Ba. Find a comfortable place where you can do this exercise at any time of the day. Free your mind like a white sheet of paper. Grab your pen and let's practice together. That's it for today. Hope this exercise helps you acquire this new letter. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments field below. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Mos Possibleyes. شكرا.